clamshell.
Okay, so that's a little bit too much, so a little bit less. Good, right, like that. And then body stays quiet, and then you lift the knee up in the air, keeping the heels together.
And not moving my hip.
Uh-huh.
And what am I working here?
You are working your gluteus medius.
Should I be feeling it?
You will feel it.
Okay.
Yes. You should and you will.
Okay.
So that becomes exercise 1.
Okay.
Then exercise 2, foot comes up. And again, body stays nice and quiet.
Ten of those.
Mm-hmm. And then you're straight from the knee to the hip.
That's right. Am I straight?
Your knees could be a little bit further back, probably. Yep, that looks good. That looks good. You okay?
Yep.
What's the ooh?
It's my right knee. It's okay.
What do you feel?
It felt like it moved.
Okay.
The inside moved. And now I do this.
Yep.
Right?
Come up, and you come down. And then 10 of those, and then the heel comes up.
Huh. And 10 of those.
On. Oh yeah, we restarted. Okay.